I'm going to plug the EGR in. So just watch what I do. So that's the EGR, it's on the back of the engine, it's on the right hand side, and now I'm going to unplug it. So that's the plug. This is the EGR valve here. Yours looks exactly the same because it's on my one. So I'm going to zoom out now so you might get an idea of the engine. Or vehicle, I don't know. Headlight. Right hand side of the engine. And I'm kind of going in between the cabin filter inlet and the, I don't know, washer coolant tank. So it's at the back of the engine. And the connector itself, which I've got in my hand, there's a tab here. I don't know if you can see it, but no, you can't really. But the tab at the top of the connector, where my thumb is, here, you put your nail in there and lift. Like that. I'm lifting the tab now. That's what you do to release the catch, to take the connector off.